Same thing. So early morning CNS spike covering Fed meeting, and then going up. I think we'll see continued price improvement tomorrow, or at least volatility for like the next 4 days, moving out on GME. Probably out through, I want to say, the 11th. Yeah, it's the 11th. So this period of time from here to the 11th, um, we should see at least, I think, trading in this range 130 to 126.70. And then I think maybe after that we could see a breakout on those ETF FTDs. I think the market maker FTDs will actually kind of stabilize price action and prevent us from going higher. If we do get enough external pressure from active funds due to the SPY coming up, so say the SPY moves up to like the 440 range, that will push us up. So instead of, that chop, we'll see improvement over the next 5 days. And then if that's the case, when those ETF FTDs come in, we could see a higher test, maybe even like 158.50. But we'll have to see how that plays out over the next 5 days, and then we'll figure out what's gonna kind of happen after that. But a good day overall, up $6, 5%. Our Nave Gex is now flipped positive, so we have a positive delta hedge. We will have some call hedging due to today's price improvement, overlapped on tomorrow's now compounded FTDs, plus whatever improvement we see in the market tomorrow as well. So, I mean, the recipe for a move to the upside is in place. I hope you guys had a chance to pull back some covered calls earlier today when I was talking about it. If not, um, think about de-risking some of those positions over the next few days if we trade sideways, because an unexpected move up could happen. Don't forget you said you'd read us Goodnight Moon. All right, 1 second. In a great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon, and a picture of a cow jumping over the moon. And there were three little bears sitting on chairs, and two little kittens, and a pair of mittens, and a little toy house, and a young mouse, and a comb and a brush, and a bowl full of mush, and a quiet old lady whispering hush. Good night, room. Good night, moon. Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, light and the red balloon. Good night, bears, and good night, chairs. Good night, kittens. Good night, mittens. Good night, clocks, and good night, socks. Good night, little house, and good night, mouse. Good night, comb, and good night, brush. Good night, nobody. Good night, mush. And good night to the old lady, whispering hush. Good night, stars. Good night, air. Goodnight noises everywhere.
How to do this stuff.
You, all right? I learned it by watching you.